Welcome back to Houston Life. Here's an easy question. What do you get when you combine art and technology? Artechouse. Yeah.
Artechouse, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So this is a brand new captivating exhibition featuring more than 18 unique and immersive installations. Lauren Kelly is in the Heights this afternoon giving us a first look inside. And Lauren, you're essentially surrounded by the art.
Derek, literally surrounded. Take a look around me. This is just one of the many installations that you can find here at Artechouse. And I'm sure by now that you guys have seen your friends on social media, a few of them post about it, because this spot is going to be the hot spot of the summer. It's opening up in just a couple of weeks. Soft opening right now. But Sandra, one of the co-founders, for people who are like, okay, so where are you standing? What is Artechouse?
Well, Artechouse is a space dedicated to art, science, and technology. We are a place where you discover the latest tools that are being used for creatives to create this type of exhibitions. And you know, we are living in a very technological world today, and you know, technology is becoming a major tool for a lot of creatives. And we are the home for this type of art that's being created through technology, you know.
You're so right when you say that, because I think a lot of people still think of the word art. Oh, I'm going to take a paintbrush out and I'm going to draw something like a mural or create a piece of art. But there is so much more art out there created with technology. I mean, this space is magnificent.
Yeah, and you know, we as humans, we always innovate in the tools that we use for storytelling. And in the 21st century, the technology is becoming that tool and became already. And you know, now the space like this is dedicated specifically for, you know, this type of art. So we're really excited to be in Houston. You know, we have locations in New York. We started in Washington, D.C.
Yeah.
And, you know, we really excited for Houstonians to experience something new and something innovative.
Tell me about the systems here. Are we looking at an LED system? Is it what's projecting this?
Absolutely. So this is actually 18K resolution, single image projection system that we as our team created. And this is images that you see actually from collaboration with the NASA. This is Beyond the Light, and this is a 26-minute experience, cinematic experience that takes you to the world of how we've been exploring the light form and how we are and where we're heading. And the latest James Webb Telescope is a collaboration with the James Webb Telescope team who built that whole.
I love it. I love that you guys have brought in NASA. What a perfect Houston collaboration, right?
Yes, and that's why I felt like, you know, this is like so Houston, you know, and you know, NASA is such a big element in the community. So we're excited to bring this as an inaugural show, but we have amazing other shows that we created with our team. It's like we have a biggest collection of arts and technology in the world today.
I haven't even stepped in. There are 3 ginormous rooms and tons of different single installations in each room. I feel like I haven't even stepped into most of it yet. We're just in the first one, but Sandra, can we go take a look at some more?
Oh, absolutely. Yeah, you must.
I'm going to follow him, you guys. It's very hard to concentrate when there's so much art behind me, but you don't want to miss this. More from Artechouse right here in the Heights is coming up in just a bit on Houston Life. Is this cushion for me to just kind of sit in the middle? Can I do that? Just like sit right here and enjoy this? Okay, Tessa and Derek, I'll check back in with you guys in just a bit. I'm going to enjoy this a little bit more.
The perfect spot, Lauren
Immerse
Kelly.
yourself.
I feel like she should be doing an interpretive dance in this space.
It is beyond beautiful in there. It's, yeah, what an experience. Okay, can't wait to see more from that. Enjoy the show there, Lauren.
Summertime is here, and if you are looking for something new and exciting and fun and very bright and vibrant with lots of colors, Artechouse is open in the Heights. And when I tell you this is an exhibit you have got to see in person to really experience it, you've got to come and see it in person. Sandro, we started in the first room Beyond the Light, but now we've moved over to a different area, correct?
Correct, and we have actually 18 amazing installations all around the space. It's 26,000 square feet space, and we have fantastic. One of the installations, actually, Franco is going to show you guys.
Okay, we heard this is one of Franco's favorites, so that's why you're going to talk to us about it today. What are we looking at?
Absolutely. So we are still currently in Beyond the Light, one of the 3 exhibitions currently on display at Artechouse Houston, and we're standing in front of Mars Rover's Dreams. Like he said, my personal favorite installation. If you want to come with me, I'll show you how it works.
Let's walk, because like we were saying, this is not just something you have to take a look at and stand back and watch. You can actually interact with some of these exhibitions, right?
Yeah, absolutely. And you know, know, apart from this being a science lesson, there's some cool visuals here, and there's a lot to take away from this. So the idea behind this installation is, historically, we've sent 5 rovers to Mars.
Okay.
And, you know, using real data from NASA and real images from the rovers themselves, we've conceptualized this installation, which is, when the rovers are sleeping, what do they dream about?
Oh, whoever thinks of that? You guys did.
Exactly, we did.
So what kinds of buttons are on here? We can actually look at this one right here, the Sojourner, the Spirit, the Opportunity, the Curiosity, and the Perseverance, and kind of click any of the dreams?
Exactly right. So you could select your favorite rover, select the dream sequence, and then you'll see an AI-generated sequence of what the rover's dreaming about.
Oh, wow.
And, you know, they all have their own personality, and therefore they all have unique dreams.
Just like people.
Exactly right. And then every time you select a dream sequence, you'll see a different image every time.
So nothing repeats itself. You could stand here for probably an hour and get different visuals for the entire time.
Yeah, that's exactly right. And that's just one of the things that you could see here at Artechouse Houston. We're located at 600 West 6th Street in the Heights neighborhood. We want to invite everyone out. We are still offering a ticket package during our soft opening period until Friday the 28th. So definitely want to invite everyone out. You know, this is a family-friendly space, and this is somewhere you can come for a date night. You know, just come and enjoy the visuals and the depth of the storytelling that we have here to offer.
Let me ask you this. When I want to bring a date out here, let me say it's my husband's birthday this week, and we want to come out here for his birthday. What kind of time are we looking at to get through the entire exhibition?
Yeah, so we're currently in our soft opening periods. Times are from 3 to 8, so that's good to come before dinner, you know, walk around a little bit. And then, yeah, like you'd be able to come and have fun, enjoy the installations, and see everything before, you know, you celebrate with your husband.
Yeah, all right. Well, artechhouston.com is where you need to go.
Exactly.
You would say that the installations and the exhibits each are about 26 to 30 minutes?
So we have some amazing cinematic visuals that range anywhere from 13 to 26 minutes. So this is certainly something that you want to spend time with.
Yeah. Well, yeah, you can push a lot of buttons here. I'm just going to go ahead. You're like, get away from the buttons and stop pressing them. Franco, thank you so much for all the info. Again, if you want more information, maybe you need to check and see if your young ones are maybe a little bit too young. They can find all that on the website, artechhouston.com.
That's right.
If you forgot about it, I'm going to put a link up at houstonlife.tv. But I feel like we barely even broke the surface because there's so much to see here.
There's so much more to see, and words truly cannot describe, so you have to come and see it for yourself.
Absolutely. Well, Derek and Tessa, you guys know of a new date night spot you got to come and check out. It's right here at Art House in the Heights.
We'll do it. We will absolutely do it. Thanks so much, Lauren Kelly. Super cool.
Absolutely. And if it's in the AC, I will go there on a date.
It is in the AC.
Okay.